This one?
Yellow, white, green, orange, red, purple, orange,
Brown,
brown,
gray.
brown,
This is the brown.
brown, gray,
Blue. Blue.
black.
Black. Okay. You start number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This one.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
And
O, P, Q, R, S,
T, U.
P, W, S,
Z. Or you kantahin mo. A B C. Oh, yum. Let's sing. A B C D. A B C D. Come on. Let's sing. Yum. Naku naman, you're so tamad na naman.
A, B, C, D. S, B, C, D.
What is your name?
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
W X Y and Z. What is your name?
Y, A, Ilam, Agasai.
How old are you?
Apple,
Ay, very good ang buyoy. Okay. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, you sing na naman. You sing. Head, shoulder. What's the next? Knees and toes, knees and toes. You stand up. Stand up.
Shut up.
Yeah, you stand up. Okay? Okay. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Ay, sus, katamad na. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Well, shoulder yan eh. Head, again. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Stand up kasi. You're so naman matamad naman si Yayam talaga. Oo. Knees and toes. You're like your tatay. So tamad mag-aral. You understand? Your tatay is tamad mag-aral. Yeah. Your tatay. Oh, again. Yan na naman siya. Kukunin mo na ang eyeglass ko.